Studying for long hours can be challenging, but it's a skill that can be developed with the right strategies. To study effectively for long hours, you need to adopt various tips. Here's a detailed guide on how to study for long hours. Plan a study schedule. Plan your study time in advance by creating a schedule. Allocate specific time for different subjects or topics. Start your study session with the most challenging subject first. At the beginning of your study session, your energy and concentration are at their higher level. You may study for long hours with good energy and focus. Set study targets. Before starting a long study session, define what you want to achieve. Knowing what you want to achieve during this time will help keep you focused and motivated. Manage breaks. Divide your study sessions into smaller, manageable parts while plan to study for long hours. Take breaks for a stretch, a long walk, or for healthy diet. Take breaks in your session to energize and start over long hours study. Good study environment. Your study environment play a significant role in enhancing your ability to study for long hours. Manage a quiet, well-lit, and comfortable study space. Ensure it's free from distractions, and all your study materials are within reach. Active learning. Engaging actively with the material you're studying can make your study sessions more efficient. After completing a study task, summarize the key points in your own words. The best way to study actively is to take notes, ask questions, and discuss the topics with others. Limit digital distractions. Minimize potential distractions during your study sessions. Turn off notifications on your phone and computer, and use website blockers if necessary. If you find social media distracting, log out or use apps that limit your access during study time. Maintain good health. Your physical well-being plays an important role in your ability to study for long hours. Consume nutritious meals and snacks to maintain your energy levels. Drink water regularly throughout your study session. Get adequate sleep. Ensure you are well rested before a long study session. A lack of sleep can significantly reduce your ability to concentrate and retain study material that you have learned. Exercise and stretch. Exercise can refresh your mind and body, helping you stay alert and focused. Take short breaks to stretch your body and get some physical activity. Even a quick walk or a few stretches can refresh your mind and body. Stress management. Stress can be a major hindrance to long study hours. Practice relaxation techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or mindfulness to reduce stress and anxiety during your breaks. Reward yourself. Set small rewards for yourself when you achieve milestones during your study sessions. These rewards can help maintain your motivation. Stay positive. Maintain a positive attitude towards your studies. Believe in your ability to learn and stay committed to your goals. Also avoid negative self-talk. This self-confidence will maintain your study potential for long hours. Final words. Remember that studying for long hours is not just about your stamina but also about being efficient and effective in your learning. These strategies can help you make the most of your study time while maintaining your well-being and productivity. Adapt and combine these techniques to create a study routine that suits your needs and preference.